Hey, Foodie fam, how y'all doing today? Today we're in Edgewater Park, New Jersey at KRAZY Cow Pizza. We're gonna go in here, see what they got in here to offer, and scoop some stuff up, come back to Black Beauty and talk about it. All right, y'all, before I get involved in the video, I'm gonna ask you please to subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, notification button so you know when my videos come on. Help a brother out. Hit that share button. Share me out with everybody you know. All right, y'all. We will be right. Tongue tied. We'll be right back.
I'll take that.
All right, Foodie fam, we got the food. Check this out. Boing! Oh, man. All right, that's one of the drinks. Caught my eye. I got a shrimp burrito. And I think I got a chicken for a beef burrito. Take a look at this beast right here. See this? Like a football. Boom! 45! Hut, hut. All right. All joking aside, this may make you a little hungry. I'm just saying. So if you want, pause me, go grab a snack, sit down and get comfortable, and watch me do my work, baby. It came with some dipping sauce, but I don't know about that. We're gonna see. I'm not trying to burn my tongue out my mouth. We're gonna see though. All right, Lord bless this. Nice flavor. Even the vegetables seasoned up, huh? I'll tell you. All right, I'm tasting lettuce, tomatoes. I'm tasting sharp cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. I might have to try the sauce because my wife said spicy. I'm getting more of a hoagie vibe than burrito. I mean, I taste the onions, I taste the lettuce, I taste the tomatoes. I haven't grabbed the shrimp yet, so maybe that's what it is. It's good, but it just reminds me of a hoagie. It's nice flavors, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't taste like a burrito to me. It tastes more like a, because it's warm, but you got those vegetables in it, and you got the shrimp in it. But it's like, what I'm trying to say is maybe it's too much vegetables in it. It kind of is like through every bite you're getting vegetables. So maybe less vegetables, more rice, more shrimp, and more of the other stuff, the components of a burrito, and less vegetation. So with this being said, I ordered a burrito, not a shrimp sub or a shrimp hoagie. I ordered a burrito. So I'm gonna give it a 5. I need to shake that up. All right, let's try the chicken one. There you go. Maybe I should bite it in the middle. There you go. Chicken burrito. It has less vegetation in it. All right. Let's break this one down. The flavors that they had in the first burrito, even the vegetation was seasoned. Truthfully, I probably could have ate a whole burrito of just the lettuce, tomatoes, and the onions from the shrimp burrito. So they had the flavors in there. It just wasn't your traditional burrito taste. Now this chicken one, the chicken needs to be seasoned more. They need to show the chicken more love. Got a little bitterness to it. And maybe you need to add more onions and stuff in this chicken burrito. So you had to, maybe you should have just put them both next to each other. All the vegetation you had on one, spice it up and, you know, half and half instead of all in the shrimp and barely any in the chicken. It's just bitter. Little flavor, but he got this bitterness to it. I was checking for guacamole, but I don't see any. So it's just the taste of it. Wifey got some tacos. What you think of it? Dry. Dry. This a little spot from around the neighborhood, so I was hoping we found another spot other than our usual ones, but I don't know about this one. I mean, they sell other stuff besides the Mexican stuff, like they sell pizzas and steaks. But I don't want to overkill on cheesesteaks because I had one before and it messed me up for a few months. So I ain't trying to have that happen again. So that's why I didn't get your other stuff. This is mango one. Oh man. No, she didn't. Let's see how this tastes. Wow, she did it again. Wow. Nah. I'm gonna drink it, but I ain't gonna be running back to get another one of these. So, as far as my overall review of this place, I'm gonna give a review of this chicken situation right here. Like I said, it's a little bitter. Chicken needs some more loving to it. And neither one of them remind me of a traditional burrito. So this chicken burrito, I would give it a 4. These two drinks I had, shook it up, was thinking maybe that was why it was lacking in flavor and taste, but it just don't taste like nothing. So those two things right there get a 4 as well. So wifey, let me see this. I'm gonna give you a rating for this. They killed it with the onions for her, but me, I love them. This one is a shrimp one.
Shrimp tastes good. Not the others.
Yeah, I feel what you're saying. The shrimp is popping out, but It's like you taste the shrimp, then you get this dryness with it. So the dryness is like taking over the taste of the shrimp. So I'm gonna get at a 4. So with that being said, EMOORE, after you tried that, them tacos, would you come back here? Not for what I just had. No. Would I recommend these to any of my friends? No. But they have other stuff on the menu, like pizzas, cheesesteaks, strombolis, burgers. So I might come back and try one of those just to, see how it is. But they dropped the ball on the Mexican stuff. I was just expecting different flavors. I did a few reviews of different, spots that serve burritos and Latin food and whatever. And I must say, Latin food packs the flavor. This right here, I'm not getting that. I got a shrimp hoagie when I asked for a burrito. I'm just calling it a hoagie because usually hoagies pack all the vegetation like that. I mean, that's not what I wanted. That's what I got. So here we go. So I will come back and try their other items. But as far as the ones we have right here, I will never order from them again getting that stuff. Because when I go in a spot like that and I get excited because I love Mexican food and I love Spanish food, like Puerto Rican food. So I seen the guy behind the cash register making it, taking the order, and I was watching the woman back over there in the back making the burrito. I was getting excited because I was thinking that I was going to get some special kind of flavors. I got a person I work with. She's from Puerto Rico. She say, it's all about the flavors. What's up, Iris? Nah, this wasn't the flavors, Iris. You would definitely be mad if you came here to eat, because I know how you like those Latin flavors. All right, y'all. There we have it. The review of KRAZY Cow, located in Edgewater Park, New Jersey. Don't come and get their Mexican food. I'm just saying, try something different. And the brother in there told me that it was good. It's good, homie. Don't get me wrong. But I didn't order a hoagie. I ordered a burrito, and that's what I wanted. All right? But thanks for your suggestion. All right, y'all. Remember, every day you get to open those eyes up and you get to take that breath. It's a gift from God, baby. If you're just seeing me for the first time, I'm EMOORE, food connoisseur. I'm the brother that does those food reviews in New Jersey and surrounding areas. If you watch this far, you might as well subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And everybody else, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share me out with everybody you know. See that bell? Click it so you know when I'm on. EMOORE, food connoisseur. Ooh, I'm out, baby.